Namaste. Welcome to the series of Chair Yoga. My name is Sandeep Solanki. Friends, have you ever complained about some strain in the wrist? Are you moving your wrist only in one particular position for too long? If that is the case, then it's very important to increase your mobility of the wrist. That's where the discomfort and the pain can also subside and reduce. And we are going to see three simple practices, learn three simple practices to stretch the mobility of the wrist. The first movement is called as wrist rotations. Everyone knows about this. But I've seen a lot of people when they do this wrist rotations, they usually do rotations, call it as wrist, but everything apart from the wrist moves like this. This is not wrist, this is more of an elbow rotation actually. So what you have to keep in mind is, you have to keep the hand straight. You don't have to turn your forearm upwards, or neither you have to cross your forearm. You just keep your forearm facing down. And then you do a complete bigger wrist rotations. About 10 times clockwise. And then 10 times. Don't let the forearm turn. Keep the forearm facing down only. This is how you will do wrist rotations, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. A bigger circle. Slower is better. A lot of time those things which are simpler, easier, people tend to do it very fast without paying a lot of attention. The simpler it may look, but it requires more attention also. So maintain your awareness and do it. Do it 10 clockwise, 10 anti-clockwise without turning the forearm up. This is the first practice. The second practice is moving the wrist side to side and up and down. So keeping both the palms in front, then we move the wrist side to one side, center, then other side. Maybe we can use breathing also in this. Either you can keep the breathing normal like first one, or you can inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale like this you can do. And also in the second practice you can do with the breathing. Inhaling coming to the center, exhaling going to the right. In left, inhaling coming to the center, exhaling going to the right. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This is the second practice. This also you can do about 10 times. Now we do up and down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This is the third practice. Inhaling coming up, exhaling coming down. These are all meant to improve the mobility of the wrist joint. There is one more stretch which is sometimes a little painful, and that's the reason why I want you to do it as much as you can with ease, not overstraining. For this, we keep the palm like this down, and then we catch the wrist and we pull. You might feel a little strain, a little tension. Don't go for too long if you are already feeling pain. Just hold that with ease. And also make sure that the elbow is straight. It is not bending, it is straight. And then turn the palm upwards and then stretch the fingers in towards the forearm. Again, along with the wrist, the area of the forearm will also be stretched. And then hold there for about 3 to 5 breaths and then do it the other side. Pull it. If you find that holding for too long is becoming difficult, you can just hold for one breath and one breath. Even this is fine. But as you keep on doing this, you will find that because things becomes easier, your holding duration also improves, it becomes better. So holding here for about 3 to 5 breaths initially, one breath is also fine. And then pulling the fingers in towards you and then pulling the fingers in by pressing the fingers towards the forearm by keeping the hand straight from the elbow. The right hand is straight and then release. This also can be repeated 3 to 5 times. So we saw in this particular video 3 important stretch. The first one was wrist rotation. The second one was wrist moving side to side, up and down. And the third one was using the support of the hand to increase the intensity of the stretch. This will increase the mobility of the wrist. Wrist joints are usually little smaller, and if you put a lot of weight at the wrist and if you don't improve your range, it can lead to stiffness, pain and discomfort. So let the wrist range improve. Thank you for watching our videos and keep tuned to watching more videos on Chair Yoga series. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, any questions, please do write to us. Thank you. Namaste.